Alright, real quick, I want to do a video. This is kind of maybe a little public service announcement. I've seen some people online that are mounting their Downrigger retrieval systems, the Scotty ones, and they're cutting their lines to attach the ring. Now, if you're running a Scotty Downrigger, a newer one like I am, and it's set up like mine or the newer ones, and you're installing this style of retriever, you do not need to cut the cable. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's real quick and it's real easy. So here's basically the kit. Comes with a retrieval line, a cleat system, and this ring. So basically what you need to do is get this goes down to your downrigger ball, and we need to get this whole thing through this ring. And the snap will fit through with a little bit of force, but I think most people get to the snubber, and by the looks of it, I'm assuming they think it'll never fit. And if it's cold out, this thing is extremely hard. It's almost like plastic. Simple trick. Get a tub of very hot water and throw it in there. We're going to let this sit for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. Alright, we've let this sit for a few minutes, and the rubber has become very pliable, and to a lesser extent, this ring has probably expanded a very slight amount, and it still seems like it's not going to go through. Take a little bit of dish soap and put it on there. What I use is a nut driver. You don't accidentally stab yourself. That's it. That's it. You don't need to cut the line. And you see, once you get it kind of started and compressed in there, it shoots right through. That's why I use a nut driver, so I don't stab the crap out of my hand. Rinse all the soap off, install your retrieval line, and you're good to go.